Hello, YouTube. Coming at you from Paris right now. We're at the Gare de Lyon. And Nicole found this little spot called Train Bleu. And it's a fancy little restaurant that we're gonna have lunch at. Traditional French food. And kind of, there she is, in kind of south of Notre Dame area. All right, so you come in the train station, it's all under construction. Just follow the sign, it's upstairs, I believe. You can see right here. All right, so you follow the signs. This probably would have looked beautiful if all the construction was gone. All right, the menu. Starters, fishes, meats, coffees, desserts, and just look at this beautiful place. Look at this. This is a must-see place. It's beautiful. All right, the Vino wine is here. Nicole went with the Chateaubriand. It's a Bordeaux, and I went with a rosé because I got the salmon, so I thought it would pair nicely. All right, this was on the house, I guess. It's carrot cream. No idea what it is, but I'm gonna try it out. So Nicole got the tartare, and hopefully we'll be able to show you how they put it together here.
Yes.
Okay. The Dijon. And Worcester sauce. Nicole went with it spicy. All right, I went with the sesame crusted salmon, and Nicole went with the beef tartare, which we already watched. All right, the review of that place. Well, I'd say it was kind of a bummer. Our waiter got upset at us because he found out that Nicole had a gluten allergy, which we already look at the menus before we even eat, before we come. That's why we choose these places. But Nicole put on the notes, gluten allergy, and the staff didn't let our waiter know, so he got upset, but he got upset at Nicole and not at the right people. Anyways, the food, tartare was good, but Nicole was kind of put off by the service. And our other guy that actually made up the tartare, he was extremely nice. My food, the salmon, was basically came just seared. It was raw, which is fine. I'm not a huge salmon guy, but I like it cooked thoroughly, or I like sushi completely raw. So experience would I go here? Maybe for a coffee, not for food. It was a little overpriced, honestly. The fries were pretty not good. I think it's just the location kind of is what lures people in here, and the food is, I would say, mediocre at best. So anyways, sorry for the bummer review, but I'd rather be honest than not.